Tesla semi-factory to get massive amounts of concrete. Tesla has been building a dedicated semi-plant at its Gigafactory Nevada this year, and a recent construction update shows preparations for a massive amount of concrete yet to be laid. In an update this week from Zangler, a Giga Nevada observer and self-proclaimed Tesla semi-advocate, footage from the site shows tons of recent progress, including action shots of truss rods going up on the now many steel beams at the site, and the various footings that will reportedly utilize a huge volume of concrete. Zangler calls the site a concrete jungle, saying that each of the larger footings highlighted in the video will use 55 yards of concrete, while the footings together will use 20,000 yards total. Across the entirety of the project, he says, 1 million yards of concrete will be laid upon completion. As some have pointed out, it's not entirely clear if he means cubic yards of concrete, but it seems pretty clear that the facility will utilize a substantial volume of the material, no matter what. Along with picturing the future of concrete at the site, the video features a few shots of what Zangler calls a BZI telehandler as it moves horizontal truss rods onto the vertical steel beams. The steel beams first began arriving at the site early last month, and there's already been a significant amount of progress made on the upcoming facility since then. In a follow-up post, Zangler also shared a close-up photo of a concrete truck preparing to start pouring into one of the footings, which can be seen below, beneath a couple of stills from the video. Tesla first broke ground on the Giga Nevada semi-expansion in January, and the company is aiming to begin production in the second half of 2025. Initial customer deliveries are anticipated for early 2026, though Tesla has already delivered its early units to customers including PepsiCo, Costco, Martin Brower, and Walmart, among others. Additionally, Tesla has been ramping up production of the Semi at Giga Nevada's initial production facility, with at least 50 units recently being spotted on site. Earlier this month, Tesla Semi-Program Senior Manager Dan Priestley visited the upcoming Semi-Factory construction site, going on to share a photo of a few Semi units at the facility. Tesla has also been teasing plans for the Semi in Europe, as the company recently displayed one unit at the IAA convention in Munich, Germany. You can watch the full Semi-Factory construction update, as posted on Zangler's YouTube channel on Saturday below. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.